Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think we're in a downtrend. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that's forming. Most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. I think the 100% Fibonacci extensor, or perhaps the 78.6, is the most likely target for the end of this wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still believe that this right here is a five-way pattern to the downside, wave one. I still believe this move up right here is most likely a corrective wave two. And I still think that this right here is going to be going down for a wave three, eventually making a wave four and five of wave C like I showed on the monthly time frame. So keeping all that in mind, because it is very important, let's take it down to the daily. On the daily, I think we have, first of all, a nice five-way pattern. I don't like how stressed out the fifth wave is, but it definitely is a five-way pattern. Wave one, I think this is three waves up, W, three waves down, X, three waves up, Y. I would consider that respecting the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Nice, big, impulsive, engulfing move to the downside. It looks to me like there's a pretty good chance that the wave two is over. Hopefully, it really is over because if it is, we have a lot of downside potential for the continuation of this wave three. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci extension on this first wave projected out the end of this correction right here. Now, if it really is a wave three, then this thing has a lot of downside potential, like I was saying on the higher time frames. So I personally would definitely be looking for short entries. Now, really, the strategy right now is to already be in a short from one of the previous pullbacks, or to be waiting patiently for a pullback. You definitely don't want to go short without seeing a pullback, but if I do see like an ABC correction, then I will definitely be ready to go short at the end of that ABC for the continuation of what I think is a 1, 2, 3 pattern. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we had a nice big engulfing move to the downside, nice break of structure, really nice entry to go short. I really don't think that this is over. I would expect to see more movement to the downside. We're not even to the 78% Fibonacci extension yet. So like I said, I definitely wouldn't go short now, but if I saw like some sort of a three-way pattern up, an A, B, and C, a W, X, Y, or some sort of a flat pattern, then that's exactly what I would be looking for, especially if it bounces off a Fibonacci retracement level. So three waves up, big bearish engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level would be exactly what I would be looking for another sorting opportunity, most likely to build a nice short position for the continuation of this big wave three. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.